get ready for the cook-off. In the left corner, weighing 120 pounds, from Imo State, Nigeria, Chimkasi.
Hi, my name is Chimkasi, also known as SEXES. Today I'm making yam porridge. I've been cooking for a really long time, and I hope Mark knows what's coming because I'm just about to bring it.
In the right corner, weighing 200 pounds, representing Anambra State, Nigeria, Mark the Lifter.
My name is Mark. I'm from Anambra State. Today we're going to be cooking very basic rice and stew infused with some diced beef. I don't really have to talk too much. You already know I can cook.
It's about to go down.
Okay, so today the main ingredient for my dish, which is yam porridge, is yam. Obviously, it's still got the back on, so I'm going to need to take this off by peeling it with a knife. Some people don't really make yam porridge with fish, but I think it's really important because it gives it like this very different taste. Some people use dried fish, but I like to use smoked fish because I think it just tastes really good.
You've actually got quite a good yam peeling technique.
Yeah, do you want to explain to people what you do with your yam peeling technique?
I don't know, this is how I just learned to do it when I was growing up. Like, it's just easier doing it this way. How do you guys do it?
I would use a chopping board and like cut it into hexagons.
Huh?
Very mathematical.
Chop it into hexagons.
Do you know like I would have done the first black into a square?
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
What?
You know what he's talking about?
No.
Chop it into.
What I
You
would
would
do?
lay it flat.
Look at all the stuff you're wasting.
That's what I would do. Nice square.
No, look at, you're wasting so much food.
It's not waste. This is
This is why Mark is gonna lose because his gender just does not know how to cook. What are you doing?
Slicing it up into like reasonable size, like it.
So far she's added nothing.
Just the yam.
Just the yam. Wow, that is an amazing technique.
It's so big.
Do you know how to say crayfish in Igbo?
I actually don't know the Igbo name. I just know Poro. That's the prawns.
Oh.
Ooh, I've never heard that. Aiya. But I'm just gonna cut this up this way because it's just like effort any other way. This is foul. I don't know. Oh shit.
Bring it on the mat.
It's usually softer. It's actually good for frying. New yam is better for frying, I think, than old yam.
The lid on. And you wait for how long?
I usually just got maybe 5 minutes, but I'm just gonna add my oil.
So when the water's almost dry, you add the oil.
Yeah. My sister always makes fun of me because I add too much oil when I cook. I just kind of get carried away, and the next thing you know, the food is like bright red because I've added too much.
So you're trying not to mash up the yam.
Yes.
So now you're adding the
Yes. I usually prefer it usually has a more, I don't say traditional. It has like a more like Igbo-ish flavor when you use a chanwo rather than basil. Because this new yam is breaking up and doing the most. It's done?
It's done.
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, it's done.
Yes.
So give us your own initial verdict. How do you feel about it? Are you confident?
I prefer it with the basil, but I think it's good.
I think it's good enough.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna win.
Of course.
Confident.
So, first thing with rice and stew, obviously, you need the rice. Usually I get basmati, but fine jasmine as well is good as well.
So we're gonna explain to the people how come we didn't choose to get long grain. The traditional
long grain for dead. Second element is chopped tomatoes. Obviously, you need tomatoes in stew.
So why did we opt for chopped instead of plum tomatoes?
With plum, I think the flavour is a little bit different. Because one time I tried to cook it with plum tomatoes, didn't really taste right. To be honest, I threw the whole stew in the bin. I'm infusing this stew with diced beef. Obviously, I'm a gym man, so you need to get the protein in however I can. And obviously, you need your tomato puree, otherwise the stew will be quite watery and it's not really quite nice, to be honest. So you need it not too thick, but you need some viscosity to the stew.
Have you got a message for Chimkasi?
Chimkasi, I'm sure your yam porridge was nice, but sorry to break it to you, mate. Men can cook better.
Of course.
So who taught you how to cook, Mark?
It's my mum, to be honest. My mum's the one that taught me. She actually taught me this over the phone. I was on the phone to her.
Well, just during university or when you were?
Yeah, when I was living alone.
So what, you went to live alone without being able to cook?
I was able to cook, but I could cook. I wouldn't say cook, but you know when you could put together stuff.
Oh, but now you actually have techers.
Yeah, I've got techers. I can cook a few things. That's the thing. But guys, we may not know how to cook a lot of things, but the things we do know how to cook, we know how to cook it well.
Amen.
This will hot up your butthole. You know, yeah, the stew will need a little bit of a kick just to add to the flavour. So this.
Alright, so we've almost got this stew ready.
Stew's going.
And we've got our jasmine rice. You're representing the entire of Anambra State right now. So you can't lose to Chimkasi. It's looking good. If anything, hopefully it tastes as good as it looks.
Yeah.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
I would have thought last night would have brought out maybe a little bit more, but
Yeah.
So, Mecca, what do you think? Out of 10?
That's like an 8.5. Maybe.
Oh.
Yeah, 8.5. Maybe a 9.
Maybe a 9 out of 10. Wow! Don't know.
Nice
What would you say?
Now the sermon cow of food tasting. Just getting into it. Alright. It is very yellow, first and foremost. Just looking at it, it's been half eaten. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand.
But you had the fish, not the yam. Like, it's yam porridge, not just fish. You have to have everything.
How many fish is this? Okay. I tasted the fish. I'm gonna take some of this yam. This is some of the best. This is some of the best.
I told you.
This is honestly some of the best yam porridge I've tasted in my life. This is solid.
Yeah, I feel like
This is a solid. This
Give
is
it a
solid.
rating.
This is a solid. This is 8.5, man. Pushing a 9. And for yam porridge, that's solid, man. Because yam porridge.
How do you feel? How do you feel, Chimkasi?
I mean, I'm not surprised. Like,
Hey! What are you thinking?
it's alright. It's very tomatoey though.
Do you
nice.
want to give it another bite? So would you give it out of 10? 6.5?
I think so. Not really very family station, guys.
Stew's alright. It's good.